Hi folks, I'm President Barack Obama, and I'm not a puppet. I'm in a wonderful land of make-believe. You gotta listen to me and to my pal.
Hi folks, I'm Lion Scumbag the Third. You folks who went to Island School might remember me. I was a creation of Bjorn's back in Island School days. And I'm Lion Scumbag the Third. Vote for me. I am going to be running in 2016 for the Democratic Republican ticket. Yes, as you can see, we're going to have so much fun in 2016. It's going to be awesome. Yay. Let's see, what's my party platform? Take all I can and give nothing back, folks. How do you like that? Just like both the parties. As I said before, my name is Lion Scumbag the Third, and I support this message. As says our puppet in chief,